So this video is going to walk through how to make an STL file for 3D printing. Here you can see I have a slide from a different project is the first thing I could find. But we're going to go to File, Export, and CAD format. And this is going to allow us to save it as a different type of CAD file. File, Export, CAD format. When we get this opened up, you can see there's some different types of files on the bottom. The one we're going to be using for 3D printing is the STL file. Then you're going to go to Options, and we need to make sure the units are set to millimeters. Okay, so make sure the units are set to millimeters and the resolution is set to high. And this was already done when I opened it up, because I've done this once before in Inventor. But you should always be double checking millimeter and high resolution. Hit OK. And this is in my cool stuff folder right now, which is in my J drive. We should be in our P drive in our folder for 5.8. So we should have a folder here for 5.8. If we don't have a folder for 5.8 yet, then in our P drive, we should make a new folder for 58. And then I'll take my slide. It shows up as a certificate trust list, which is not the abbreviation for STL. Don't ask me why that is. I haven't researched it yet. But in 58, in your P folder, that's where your part should be. You're not going to be able to open it up with Inventor or anything else. So don't worry about that, but that's where I'll go to find it. There's the bell. If you have any questions, please let me know.